Welcome to Capitalists versus Consumers, where we break down how money really works and show you how to start building income that works for you. Today we are doing something different. Instead of talking about debt payoff in general terms, we are going to walk through a specific scenario, exactly how I would pay off $10,000 in debt in 12 months. Step by step, month by month, with real numbers attached to every decision. If you have debt in that range, this video is going to give you a clear, actionable blueprint you can start using today. And even if your number is different, whether it is $5,000 or $25,000, the framework applies at any level. Quick note before we get into it. Everything we cover here at Capitalists versus Consumers is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Everyone's financial situation is different, so always do your own research or speak with a qualified financial professional before making major financial decisions. Please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a report. Let's get into it. Setting the scene. Here is the scenario we are working with. $10,000 in total debt. Let's say it is split across 2 credit cards. Card 1 has a balance of $6,000 at 24% interest. Card 2 has a balance of $4,000 at 19% interest. Monthly minimum payments total approximately $250 between both cards. Income is average. Let's say $3,500 per month take home after taxes. Monthly essential expenses, rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance. Total approximately $2,500. That leaves $1,000 per month that is not already spoken for. The goal: eliminate all $10,000 of debt in 12 months. Can it be done? Yes. Here is exactly how. Step 1. Stop the bleeding immediately. Before we talk about paying down debt, we have to talk about the tap. The first and most non-negotiable step is to stop adding new debt. Cut up the credit cards or put them somewhere you cannot easily access them. Delete them from saved payment methods on your phone and laptop. If you are in the habit of reaching for a credit card for everyday purchases, switch to a debit card or cash for the next 12 months. This is not optional. You cannot pay down a bucket that is still filling up. Until new charges stop, the payoff plan is fighting an uphill battle every single month. Step 2. Build a small emergency buffer. This sounds counterintuitive when you are trying to eliminate debt as fast as possible. But here is the reality. If you put every spare dollar toward debt and then the car breaks down or a medical bill arrives, you are going to put that expense on a credit card. You just took 2 steps back for every step forward. Before attacking the debt, aggressively set aside $500 to $1,000 in a separate savings account as an emergency buffer. This is not a full emergency fund. That comes later. This is a financial firewall that prevents one unexpected expense from derailing your entire payoff plan. It takes roughly 1 month to build this buffer if you redirect your full $1,000 of available income toward it. Month 1 is buffer building month. Step 3. Choose your payoff strategy. With a $500 to $1,000 emergency buffer in place, it is time to choose how to attack the debt. For this scenario, we are going to use the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest rate debt first. Card 1 at 24% is costing more money every single month than Card 2 at 19%. Eliminating it first saves the most money overall. Here is the monthly plan. Pay the minimum on Card 2, approximately $100 per month. This keeps the account current and stops late fees from accumulating. Direct every remaining available dollar toward Card 1. In this scenario, that is approximately $750 to $850 per month toward Card 1, the minimum payment plus every extra dollar available. At that pace, Card 1 with its $6,000 balance gets paid off in approximately 8 to 9 months. Once Card 1 is gone, you take the full amount you were paying on it and redirect it entirely to Card 2. This is the avalanche in action. You are rolling your freed up payment into the next debt and accelerating the payoff. Card 2 with its $4,000 balance gets attacked with the full force of your available income in the final 3 to 4 months. At that pace, Card 2 gets eliminated and you finish the year debt-free. Step 4. Call your credit card companies. Before making a single extra payment, call both credit card companies and ask for a lower interest rate. As we covered in a previous breakdown here at Capitalists versus Consumers, this works approximately 70% of the time. A loyal customer calling to ask for a rate reduction, especially one who mentions they are actively working to pay down their balance, often gets a positive response. If you get Card 1 reduced from 24% to 18%, you save hundreds of dollars in interest over the payoff period and potentially cut 1 to 2 months off your timeline. That one 15-minute phone call could be worth more than several months of extra payments. If they say no, ask about balance transfer options. A 0% introductory rate balance transfer card can allow you to move your high interest balance to a new card and pay 0 interest for 12 to 18 months. If you qualify, this can be one of the most powerful tools available. Every dollar you pay goes directly to principal with 0 interest accumulation. Step 5. Find the extra money. Here is where the rubber meets the road. The math works on paper, but the key question is whether you can actually generate that extra $750 to $850 per month beyond your minimum payments. In our scenario, we have $1,000 of available income after essential expenses. But let's be honest, that $1,000 number assumes discipline. Most people have spending leakage, subscriptions they forgot about, dining out more than they realize, impulse purchases that feel small individually, but add up significantly. The first move is to audit every dollar of spending. Go through your last 2 months of bank and credit card statements and categorize every transaction. Most people discover $100 to $300 of spending they can immediately reduce or eliminate without meaningfully impacting their quality of life. Subscriptions are usually the easiest place to find money. The average American pays for multiple streaming services, apps, and memberships they barely use. Cancel everything you have not used in the past 30 days. That might free up $50 to $150 per month instantly. Dining out is typically the second biggest category of discretionary spending. You do not have to eliminate it entirely, but reducing restaurant spending by even 2 or 3 meals per week can free up $100 to $200 per month. Step 6. Create a side income stream. If cutting expenses alone does not get you to the payment level you need, the answer is more income, not just less spending. And in 2026, there are more ways to generate extra income quickly than at any point in history. Rideshare driving and food delivery are the fastest ways to turn available time into cash. 10 to 15 hours per week driving for a rideshare or delivery platform can generate $300 to $600 per month of additional income depending on your market. That money goes entirely to debt. Selling unused items is another quick win. Most people have hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of items sitting around their home that they no longer use. Electronics, clothing, furniture, collectibles, sports equipment, all of these sell quickly on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Poshmark. A single weekend of selling could generate $300 to $500 that goes straight to the debt. Freelancing your existing skills is another option. Whatever you do professionally, writing, design, bookkeeping, photography, coding, tutoring, marketing, there is likely someone willing to pay for those skills on a freelance basis. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to find clients quickly. Even 5 to 10 hours of freelance work per week at $25 to $50 per hour generates an additional $500 to $2,000 per month. The goal is not to find a permanent side hustle. It is to generate enough extra income to accelerate the debt payoff timeline. This is a 12-month sprint, not a permanent lifestyle change. The month-by-month breakdown. Here is how the 12 months look with all of these steps in place. Month 1. Build the emergency buffer. Direct all available income to savings until you have $500 to $1,000 set aside. Make minimum payments on both cards. Months 2 through 9. Attack Card 1 aggressively. Pay the minimum on Card 2. Direct $750 to $850 or more toward Card 1 every month. Call the credit card company and negotiate a lower rate. Look for a balance transfer option. Cut discretionary spending. Start a side income stream to accelerate the timeline. By month 8 or 9, Card 1 is fully paid off. Months 10 through 12, the avalanche hits Card 2. Take the full payment you were making on Card 1 and redirect it entirely to Card 2. With the extra income from your side hustle and spending cuts, you are now directing $1,000 or more per month at a balance that started at $4,000. Card 2 is gone before month 12 ends. Month 12, you are debt-free. The $250 per month you were spending on minimum payments, plus the extra you were directing to debt, is now yours to redirect. Some of it goes to building a full 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Some of it starts going into investments. You have broken the cycle. What to do after the debt is gone? This is the step most debt payoff content skips over, and it is one of the most important. The moment your debt is paid off, redirect those payments immediately. If you were paying $1,000 per month toward debt, redirect it to savings and investments before you have a chance to let lifestyle inflation absorb it. First, build a full emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. In our scenario, that is $7,500 to $15,000 in a high-yield savings account. This is the financial foundation that means future unexpected expenses never go on a credit card again. Then start investing. Open a Roth IRA if you do not have one. Start contributing to your employer's 401k at least up to the match if one is offered. Put your money into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund and let compound interest start working in your favor. The same discipline and the same dollar amounts that got you out of debt will build wealth if you simply redirect them rather than spending them. The bottom line, paying off $10,000 in 12 months is absolutely achievable on an average income. It requires stopping new debt immediately, building a small emergency buffer, choosing a payoff strategy and executing it consistently, negotiating lower interest rates, cutting spending leakage, generating extra income through a temporary side hustle, and staying committed through the entire 12 months without giving up when it gets hard. None of these steps are easy. All of them are doable. And the financial freedom that comes at the end of month 12, when those accounts show zero and every dollar you earn is yours to direct toward building wealth, is worth every sacrifice it takes to get there. That is a wrap on today's breakdown here at Capitalists versus Consumers. If this gave you a clear plan to attack your debt, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly breakdown every Friday after the close and our daily after the bell market report every trading day. We will see you in the next one. Resources mentioned in this video: The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, Debt Free Forever by Gail Vaz Oxlade. This video contains affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.